Sometimes the service runs long, and that's inevitable. But with kids, those 10 minutes can seem like an eternity. So here's what I keep in my service runs long survival kit. Paper, super important. You can draw on it, you can ask kids to draw a picture of the Bible story, and if it really comes down to it, you can wad it up and throw it at each other like snowballs. With your paper, make sure you also have coloring utensils, note cards. These can be really helpful when helping kids memorize the Bible verse. Write each word of your unit memory verse on a note card. You can hide all the note cards around the room and encourage kids to find them. You can scramble up the note cards and encourage kids to put them in the right order. And that way, you're using that extra time for something productive beyond just coloring. Balloons are also always a great addition to any survival kit. There are tons of games you can play with balloons, different activities you can do, and really kids just love them. We really don't even need to talk about these because let's be honest, for you and the kids, a little snack comes in handy. Ooh, if you've got older kids, having Bible drills is a great way to pass the time and teach kids Bible skills that they'll need for the rest of their lives. Your cell phone, so you can text the associate pastor about an estimated time of arrival for the parents. You really can't ever go wrong with Solo Cups. I don't know what it is about Solo Cups, but kids love them. You can stack them, you can knock them down, you can play different games with them, you can encourage kids to build something from the Bible story. So these are a great addition that are super easy and pretty lightweight to keep on hand. Oh, this one's important. A notepad to write down the names of volunteers who stayed late so you can thank them later for their flexibility. So those are the items I keep in my survival kit for when the service runs long. And comment below, let me know what you keep in your survival kit too, so I can add a few things to mine.